How to reconnect with your spouse. What to do this week. Most people don't need more information. They need clear steps and discipline to apply them. So here's the implementation. Nope, not complicated, not emotional, not dependent on motivation, just obedience and consistency. Step 1. Pray together, morning and evening, no exceptions. This is the foundation. Every morning, every evening, no exceptions. Not long prayers, not polished prayers, but honest prayers. In the morning, pray something simple like, God, today we invite you into our marriage. Align our hearts with yours. Help us love each other the way you've called us to. Protect us from pride, distraction, and resentment. Amen. And then in the evening, pray something like this. God, thank you for today. Show us where we served each other well. Show us where we missed it. Soften our hearts. Realign us if we're drifting. Amen. It's not about feelings. It's about submission. When you pray together daily, bitterness has a hard time taking root. Step 2. Make your marriage the primary relationship again. Biblically, your spouse comes first. Not kids, not work, not grandkids, not schedules. Somewhere along the line, many couples flip the order. Now it's time to correct that. This week, ask yourself, are we protecting time for each other? Are we putting each other's needs above our own? Are we leading with service, or are we leading with expectation? Reconnection starts when priority is restored. Step number 3, schedule one intentional connection time this week. Just one time. Put it on the calendar. No phones, no logistics, no kid talk. This can be something as simple as getting out in the evening and taking a walk. If you both love coffee, take some time and have some coffee together. Have dinner at home with no distractions. Or just sit outside together and talk. The goal isn't entertainment. The goal is presence. And you can ask questions like this. How are you doing in this season of our lives? What do you need more of me? And what are you more hopeful about right now? Listen without fixing. That's my issue a lot. Respond without defending. Step number 4. Begin a simple weekly, monthly rhythm. Here's a practice that helps prevent the drift. Once a year, have a yearly marriage meeting. We do this every year. We talk through our faith. We talk about our marriage. We talk about our health goals. We talk about finances. We talk about family. What do you want to next year look like? Write it down. And then once a month, have a 30-minute check-in. Ask things like, are we moving in the direction that we wanted? What's working? There's always course correction. What needs to be changed? Again, consistency beats intensity. This is how accountability happens without pressure. And step 5, remember why this matters. You're not doing this just to feel closer. You're doing this because marriage is a covenant. Love is a daily choice. Unity is a witness. Drift is costly. Restoration honors God. You can change direction at any point. No matter how far things have drifted, no matter how long it's been, course correction is always available. So earlier this week, we talked about why it's easier than you think to reconnect with your spouse. Wednesday, we talked about what I'm seeing in couples all the time. Today was doing something about it. Start here. Pray in the morning, pray in the evening. Choose intention over drift. And if you need help implementing these long-term structures, accountability, structure, encouragement, stay tuned. Real change doesn't happen alone. It happens in community. So here's the standard for second half marriage. We don't drift, we don't assume, we don't live like roommates. We decide, we reorder, we use course correction again and again. Reconnection isn't one big moment. It's a series of small, spirit-led decisions to turn toward each other again. And that decision is easier than